Hi, this is a short video to explain how to use the Lexile framework for reading website to find books at the appropriate level for your student. So if you know your student's Lexile level, you can put it in this box right here. So if I know my student reads at this level, I can just put it in, or I could use the Lexile range to determine the high and low ends of my student's Lexile level. I just hit the button submit, and now I could pick things that I know my son or daughter is interested in here and say these are things that I think that he or she would enjoy, and then just hit the submit button. And notice there are 274 results, and this green dot over here allows me to see the Lexile level for each of the books, and I could sort it by book popularity. I could sort it by difficulty. I could sort it by title or page count, how long they are. These are all options. If I want to see if a specific book is appropriate for my son or daughter, I could go to the quick book search up in the top right, and notice I chose Artemis Fowl because this is something my son likes, and I hit search, and now it's telling me that these are appropriate books for my son if he can read in this Lexile range. So there are two ways to do it. You can go by the Lexile level and the interest of the student, or you can use the top right and see if a specific book that you have in mind or your son and daughter has in mind is appropriate for his or her current reading level. Hopefully this helps you. If you have any questions, please reach out to Ms. Hannah, our school librarian, Mr. Hinchy, or myself, Mr. Dwyer, and we can help guide you even more. Thanks.